Ako po si Earl, DTF operator dito sa Felix Huertas, Manila office. Ito po ay ginamit ng 6 days na may 220 runs this week. Ito naman po yung print head area. Damper. Tapping na 90% good condition pa. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ayan. Buo naman po siya. Ink system. Natama naman ang label at okay naman yung ink levels. Waste tank. Na-dispose naman last Saturday. At saka yung ABR. Ito naman yung stock ng CMYK ink. At yung white ink. Ito naman po yung weekly physical inventory. Consumables withdrawal. At saka yung daily output recording. Ito yung monthly maintenance checklist. Yun lang po, salamat.